COPD isn't pretty. I'm out of breath and often out of the picture. But this is my story. And with once daily TRELEGY, it can still be beautiful. Because with 3 medicines and 1 inhaler, TRELEGY keeps my airways open for a full 24 hours and prevents future flare-ups. TRELEGY also improves lung function, so I can breathe more freely all day and night.
TRELEGY won't replace a rescue inhaler for sudden breathing problems. Tell your doctor if you have a heart condition or high blood pressure before taking it. Do not take TRELEGY more than prescribed. TRELEGY may increase your risk of thrush, pneumonia, and osteoporosis. Call your doctor if worsened breathing, chest pain, mouth or tongue swelling, problems urinating, vision changes, or eye pain occur.
What a wonderful world.
Ask your doctor about once daily TRELEGY for COPD, because breathing should be beautiful all day and night.